Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stumbling across me. If you like what you see here today, please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button. That'd help out amazingly. So today I'm going to be putting my downpipes on. I've had them for a while. They've just been sitting in the box in the office while I've been sorting out some of the other stuff, but it's time to put them on. But first thing I'm going to do is take a short trip out to BMW and pick up some hardware because I'm missing quite a few fixtures, like just little screws and hardware and stuff like that to try and tidy things up. So I need to go and get a hold of some of all that stuff that will help me put the engine bay back together. So let's get that done and then let's jump on the driveway.
And sit down.
Need to go pick up some bolts from BMW. I've got a few things that are just loose and I don't have the spare parts for it, so let's go and get those, I guess. There you go, got a box full of bolts. So now I'll be able to hopefully start putting a few things back together on the car. So let's get these home, eh? I've got my downpipes out and hopefully we're going to get them on the car. So there they are down there. Got the airboxes, got some bands, got some spare nuts and bolts and stuff from BMW. So let's get them on, shall we? Okay, so that's them out of the way, but I've just forgotten I've got to put that manifold bolt in. So I think before I get there, what I'll do is I'll get the air boxes in, get all that connected up. Yep. Before we replace these, let's just check. How the air filters look, so I've actually looked at these. So, it's dirty, but I think they'll do. How the hell are you supposed to get that on? Jeez. Right, number two. Okay, so that is the air intake back in. I need to get some, whatever goes on there, there'll be a bolt, I'll find that, and one on the side as well, but they're back in. I need to get the maths, but that's all this. So now we can work our way backwards. I was looking, so while I've got all 8 coils and all of the O2 sensors for the cats, I've only got 7 bloody plugs, so I'm not going to be able to fire it up, and it's a Sunday. I'm not going to be able to get them today, so I'm going to have to order some plugs, and I think they come pre-gapped, but I'll make sure they're gapped up correctly as well. But anyway, we can still get these installed. So I need to get a manifold bolt in down there. You can't see. Shine a torch. Ooh, get the torch out of the way. There's a manifold bolt missing just there, so I need to get that manifold bolt in, and then I can start putting these downpipes in. Let's crack on. Check these while we're here. Yeah, they're fine. I'm using the torque setting of, yeah, that's enough. It's about 1 Ritchie Newton meter. So we now have our missing manifold bolt in, which is good. And the others, from what I can see, appear to be there. I can't obviously see under there, so I'm hoping they're all under there. So now we can put our downpipe on. That's quite exciting, isn't it? Blimey. Okay, crack on, I guess. See if you can feel it down. And then it locates on these 2 here, and I believe they are M8s. So I've got some M8 nuts. M8 nuts. And I've got, yeah. Come on. That's not on, is it? Oh, anybody got any ideas? Let's get the grips. Let's see what it does. So that's one in. Starting to look good actually. Let's get the other one in, I guess. That's a better fit. So my other V-bands didn't come with a bolt, so I literally just bought some M8 volts. M8 volts? M8 bolts. So let's get this one made the same way. So they're both in now. Bolted down, no washers, I'll do that again afterwards. But I'm seeing this heat shield is bent on this side, so I'm going to have to finesse that away because that's going to get in the way of the O2 sensor that goes in here. So that one's fine, but this one is, if you can see, kind of bent and getting in the way, so I need to bend that over. Not sure how. I'm going to do that at the moment. Brute force and ignorance probably, but they're in. We're getting there. So the next thing is to bend that bracket and put the O2 sensors in. So the rear sensors have these little meshes on them because they go on the heat shield. They're supposed to go something like that to just stop some of the heat getting through. Whereas the front, actually, they've got these little cups and they've got these little cups in the mesh and everything that goes there. And I'm about to get stuck because if I can put this back, you need a special tool, and I do not have the special tool, so I'll be able to get this O2 sensor in just like this. It's a bit of a dance with the cable. But in order to get the front sensors in, I need an additional tool which I don't have. So that will sit something like that, that will sit something like that, and that will just stop the heat when you get the top shield. Ooh, bugger. When you get the top shield on. So I need to release a few things, but I do not have the tool for this. So when you put the cover on top, feed that through. When you put the cover on top, I've got to take these little heat shields out on the side there. They go through, and you basically you put them in the top of there, and it cinches down, and I don't have a tool for that, so I'm going to have to order one. So that's about as far as we can go today, unfortunately. So this will just clip in down this side. I'm pretty sure that's what these clips are for. Ooh. This should just clip in down here. It feeds up, and it should get it the right way up. Should clip into there. So that's the rear O2s done. I've just left the bungs in the front, and that's about as far as we can go today. So I need to take these shields off, or loosen them, so I can get this heat shield over. I might have a look at that, because you can do it without these cups in, and then maybe get some. It might be they don't line up properly with these, depending on how good the build is. So I might do that anyway. It's probably a good idea, isn't it? Because then we can carry on moving forward. But I'm not going to be able to get it started today anyway, because I've only got 7 bloody spark plugs. So I'm going to have to order some spark plugs as well. And I still won't be able to tighten it up because I don't have the right tool for it. So actually, shall I just prep? Yeah. So I don't know, you tell me. I don't think that's quite going to line up. So there's a couple of these, I forget what they're called, bolts to hold the heat shield down. So there's 2 at the back and 1 at the front, but I'm just going to put 1 at the back and 1 at the front, because I haven't got, and of course there's no bloody room, is there? So how the hell are you supposed to tighten that up? Okay. So we'll do them finger tight for the moment, and I've got a spare new one that I ordered because I knew I was going to be missing some. bit. God, could this engine baby be any more fiddly? Right, so there's no way they were going to fit. I mean, these are aftermarket cats, so you can see, I mean, if it's in the middle of the bucket then it'll work fine, but this is over at an angle, so either the downpipe's not on properly or it's just the way it is. And I've seen other people have trouble as well, so not with these but with aftermarket stuff. So I don't know, I guess I might try and get something to fill this void, but let's get this button down, get the other heat shields on, PCVs attached, connect up those connections, and then we can start thinking about the bridge, and then the only thing will be outstanding is plugs and coils, oil change, fluid change, give it a start. So that's a wrap for today. I think it's gone well. It's starting to look like an engine bay, isn't it? The only thing I haven't done, which I'm going to have to pull all this stuff off again for, is the plugs and coils, because I haven't got enough plugs and I want to make sure they're gapped as well, and then we'll start putting all the valves back on, but I'll start it up. But the downpipes are on, all neatly hidden away so you can't see a damn thing. But yeah, so I need to get some MAF sensors, which will plug in there. So I need 2 of those, I need 8 plugs, I need some oil, I need a filter, and away we go. That's enough for today. It's cold and it's getting dark. Sun's going down, look at that. So it's been a long day doing this. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please do hit that like and subscribe, it'll help me out immensely. I've got to order some bits now, so I'm going to get on the internet and get some of those ordered, and then hopefully next time I'll have some plugs in, get the coils connected and put some fire in the belly. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll see you on the driveway next time. Cheers guys.